Hello and welcome to all of you. Good evening, Dr. C, and good evening to all the team members here. My name is Mohammed Salgi, and we are from Group 9. In today's presentation, we are going to present our comprehensive statistic analysis of student food consumption patterns. We will start with the introduction to give you a quick overview what our analysis is about. As you know, in the dynamic university environment, understanding the students' habits is very critical. So our research explores and direct a relationship between the demographics, eating behaviors, and habit attitude. So we hope through this analysis we aiming to provide the data insight for enhancing the student well-being and academic performance. Our analysis has 5 factors, which is the gender, to investigate the demographics difference. We have the fast food frequency. It's also to the direct measure of the consumption habit. We have monthly food budget, which is to insight into the financial priorities. We have the health rating to capturing the self-preserved health, and we have the health awareness, which is to categorize the consumption levels. Now we will dive into our sorry our hypothesis. We have here, as you can see here, we will go to the core of our statistic analysis, and it's the key finding that we apply to our hypothesis test. You can see here our first analysis addressed whether the male and female student differ significantly in the fast food consumption. So we conduct 2 sample tests. The first one is the gender and the food, and the fast food frequency. We found that the T statistic of 3.87, the DF is equal to 397, and with B value less than 0.001. So this high significant result leads to reject the null hypothesis. The conclusion of this hypothesis is the male student consume fast food approximately 0.67 times per week more than female student. So it's about 90% higher rate. This finding to suggest targeting the health interventional might benefit from the considering gender-specific approach. That's all about my part, and now I give a space to my second team member to explain his part.
Next, we explored the relationship between fast food consumption frequency and self-perceived health ratings. We hypothesized a negative correlation. Our Pearson correlation analysis yielded R equal to negative 0.486 within a p-value less than 0.001. An R squared of 0.236 indicates that nearly a quarter of health rating variance is expanded by fast food consumption. This signifies a moderate negative correlation. Students consuming fast food more frequently tend to rate their health significantly lower. The scatter plot clearly illustrates their downward trend. This finding underscores the importance of promoting healthier eating habits for improved perceived health.
My name is Rosemary. I'm going to show regression analysis. Our third core analysis investigated if self-perceived health rating predict monthly food expenditure. We performed a simple linear regression. The equation monthly food budget equal to 250.15 plus 8.75 times health rating. The R-squared of 0.154 shows 15.4% of budget variance explained by health rating, with a p-value less than 0.001. for the coefficient. A statistically significant positive relationship exists. For every 1 unit increase in health rating, monthly food budget is predicted to increase by approximately $8.75. The ratio, while a box plot conceptually supports that hair health awareness correlates with hair budget, this suggests health consciousness influence financial prioritization of nutrition.
So now we proceed to the chi-square test, gender and health awareness. The objective is to determine whether health awareness levels are independent of gender. And then hypothesis H0, gender and health awareness are independent, and H1, gender and health awareness are not independent. And then we got the statistical results, chi-square, degrees of freedom. And then is the observed frequencies are listed. Well, not explicitly detailed with results in our report. The chi-square test of independent is valuable for examining associations between categorical variables. It determines if a statistical significant relationship exists between two such variables. In our project, this could explore if gender is independent of eating habits or if health awareness is independent of eating habits. For example, testing H0, gender eating habits are independent, versus H1, they're not. This would provide granular insights to targeted health campaigns.
In conclusion, our data analysis provides significant insights into student food consumption patterns. First, gender-specific dietary behaviors. Males consume fast food more frequently. Second, impact of fast food on perceived health. Higher fast food intake correlates with lower self-reported health. Finally, health consciousness and financial prioritization. Healthier perceptions are linked to higher food expenditure. These findings highlight the complex interplay of demographic, behavioral, and financial factors, underscoring the critical need for tailored health and wellness initiatives within the university. Our rigorous statistical approach ensures the reliability and the practical relevance of these conclusions. Thank you for your time and attention. We are now open for any questions.